go fast. Fast as fuck, boy.
You want to tell me what this is all about?
I'm about to start off the GSH vlog on my own, but it's the morning time. Current time right now is currently 7:15 a.m. Friday morning. We leave in another about 3 hours to get to the airport, and then our flight leaves at around 12, I think. So we're on good timing right now. I'm awake, fully dressed, ready to go. Got the airport fit on, regular t-shirt, some black shorts, and the slides. We got my man's Ellis over here. Y'all say what's up to the vlog. This is his airport fit he's gonna be wearing. Are you gonna change or? Nah. We got Omar over there waking up. Say what's up to the vlog. Yeah. Gang. We got my son Jay over here, still knocked. Woke up, but went back to sleep. Didn't even finish his sandwich. Son left the sandwich right there on the desk. But yeah, I'll update you guys when Roberto gets here, and then we're on our way. We in the way right now. Sheesh. Yeah, listen, got grandma with me. On our way to the airport. Update you guys when we get there. Gang.
Yeah, we at the airport.
At the airport now. Picking up on our brother's phone.
Yeah, bro. About to head to the plane right now, right? Our private jet.
Fact. Bought out a private jet. We got a mansion waiting for us in Orlando.
Sure.
You know, we've been making crazy money off of this, yo.
Behind the scenes, we haven't been updating y'all.
Bro. We invested in Dogecoin, fucking to the moon, yo.
Alright, we're gonna update y'all when we get on the plane. Yeah, we in our private jet right now.
The fucking private jet.
We don't want to show you the whole jet because you know it's private. It's you know we don't do that.
Holes in the back.
We don't want to get demonetized or anything. Anyways, yeah, we in a private jet with it. We got our bevs, unlimited bevs. My bevs in my bag. I'm not trying to take it out right now.
Yeah, we supposed to meet with Ludacris when we land and see what he's doing. Something like. But Drake hit us up because we're trying to party tomorrow. I don't know. We're gonna see what's going on.
Keep you updated. Peace.
Not your waste.
We're tired, yo. We're drained, bro. That fucking, what's it called? The flight, then the trip to our mansion that we purchased, right?
Yes, sir.
Mansion that we got Jaden in the cut. We just finished. It was in the pool. We had some sandwiches. We had our maids make our sandwiches.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, sunlight. Yeah, keep y'all updated.
Vlog, what's good? We in yo, what store is this again?
Bruh.
You said what? Outback. We in Outback Steakhouse, baby. I'm with the gang. We got Jose right there. Omar. Roberto, we got Jade and her friend over here. Yes, for the vlog, GSH.
Hi, vlog.
We about to embarrass Jade. It's not her birthday, but today it is. Now you right. Celebrating big, baby. 1, 2, 3. Birthday, happy birthday. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Happy birthday. Here you go.
We gotta get you getting the first bite.
You guys won?
Nah.
I saw you.
Okay.
Wait, we gotta post this up.
Right now, we outside with Roberto, son Jose, Omar right there on the floor. We're stranded. Couldn't get an Uber. It's like midnight, 1 o'clock. And
You are midnight.
That's gotta be racist. There's no way.
And we're trying to figure out how to get back to the crib. Much I know.
Get your money, man. Life goes on.
I'm hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today. Take this music and use it. Let it take you away and be hopeful, hopeful, and he'll make a way.
That's gotta be racist. There's no way